How to avoid screw-up in marketing research. Number 1. Understanding your customers. I assume you face challenges when doing marketing research, and you might think it as, despite the effort and cost, you get results that you already know, or feeling hard to connect to actions from qualitative work, or think the answers are somewhat biased by the way of asking. The question is, do you really understand your customers? Designing the survey on your own might make it a very selfish one, or your target, the population of the respondents, might need to be reimagined. For understanding your customers, the approach, the methodology will play a very important role. Why do you need to understand your customers? If you don't know what your customers need, your products and services will be product out minded. When that happens, you will not be chosen, and it will impact your sales. If you know what the customer wants, your products and services will be marketing minded. Then you will be chosen, and the company will be able to profit. So knowing your customer is the key to success. To understand your customer, there are various information you can use. If we group into two, it will be information that were collected or gathered. The data can be categorized by whether it is thoughts and minds or behavior and status of the customer, or whether the respondents answered and provided the data passively, like a survey, or in a proactive attitude like comments on social media. What is the difference of information collected or gathered? The collected information is what you designed and desired. Although there are pitfalls, it depends on the design and the respondent's memory. The gathered information has some beneficials, such as continuous monitoring is easy and is relatively cost-effective. While since it is not always intended in your way, it needs a good filtering and examination. On social media, there will be many comments from extremists. VOC at a customer support center. Most of them are complaints. Behavior data such as access log on some websites do not tell you the person's reasons or feelings why they acted that way. Collected information has two sides, quantitative or qualitative. Here we will focus only on quantitative data collected such as from online surveys. In a quantitative survey, there are two identical question types, choice-based or open-ended. Choice-based questions are good for collecting responses in a list of items you've set. Open-ended questions can collect responses you were unaware, but it is hard to handle. While the information will be collected within your survey design, tackling with both of those question types is the key to understand better.